Namaste. Welcome to this week's pose tutorial. We're going to grab a chair and a couple of blocks, yoga blocks, or a couple of books. I have some nice big books here. Yes, the bigger the book, the better for me. I love big, very long books. Indeed, it's one of my favorite things to do. Yes. So, looks like the video is a bit choppy, so my apologies for that. Let's just try something real here. In the meantime, if you are here with me live, please hashtag live and hashtag live and let me know if you are someone who likes to sit in a chair to do yoga. If you are catching on the replay, please hashtag replay and please answer the same question. Do you like to sit in a chair to do yoga? So I'm Dawn. I am a yogi and an online yoga teacher who is passionate about demystifying yoga. I'm looking for anybody who wants to sit in a chair to do yoga, anybody who has chronic pain or an injury, and anybody who is afraid of yoga because you think it's all about thin girls and Lululemon. This post tutorial will begin to prove all of these wrong. So to get started, come to a comfortable seat and place your blocks or your books. I will probably use them interchangeably on the floor in front of you if you'd like. So coming to your comfortable seat here. Yes, okay. Keeping your prop in front of you, whatever that prop may be. Yeah, those two are a little bit more even. And then place your foot on each prop. Coming into a comfortable seat here to start. Allowing yourself a moment or two to ground. I've been recording these post tutorials for several months. You can find the entire collection here or on that other wonderful video site under the chair yoga post tutorial playlist. You can find links to all of that in the comments through my link tree. And once you feel grounded, the hips are heavy, begin to turn your feet so they're on the sides, allowing your knees to open naturally. Don't push on the knees, just allow them to open naturally. This will allow your hips the ability and the invitation to work within your comfortable range of motion. Hands can be in your laps. You can lightly place your hands on your thighs if you'd like, just for a little weight. And inhale, squeeze your belly in and up and take your back away from your chair for a moment. And if this feels good to you, begin to bring your feet closer together. You might have to move your props a little bit. And feel free to bend over and do that. I used my feet because these books are light. So here is your supported butterfly pose. Your spine is long and tall. Your knees are opening to their natural range of motion. If you'd like to encourage your knees to open more, you can slide your bottom towards the front of your chair, the seat. Experiment, play with it a little bit, and continue to breathe. Long, deep inhales and long, deep exhales. Really coming into your body, imagining the breath is expanding your entire torso with each inhale, like a 360-degree circle. And then as you exhale, feel your breath go down into those hip bones. In through the chest, exhale out through the hips. Just do this for a few moments here. And tapping into the power of your breath. Even the pose tutorials can be a mini yoga practice, especially if you don't have very much time. You can set your timer for 60 minutes, do this pose after you've watched it once through, and you're done. You've practiced yoga. If you'd like to take your practice further, inhale, squeeze the front of your belly in and up. Make your spine long, waving your spine long and hinging at your hips. You can begin to walk your forearms to your thighs. Again, this is something only if your body feels, if it feels comfortable in your body. You could even come all the way down. Again, everyone's different. There's no ideal pose. Just want to give you the opportunity to experiment and explore in this pose. The most important thing is to be with your breath, be present with your breath. A couple more breaths here. And when you're ready, place your feet back on the ground or on your prop. Lean back and pause. If you've enjoyed this post tutorial, please like and subscribe. Share this video. Invite people to subscribe. Join the group that you're in, that you're seeing this in. Invite them to check the link in bio, link in comments, and to reach out with any questions. I have an amazing membership that includes short videos. It's a monthly membership. Energy investment is $17 a month. You can find more information in the links. We'll see you all again very soon. Be well, my friends.